Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel and our daughter Trimel, and today we are heading to see Mr. Granville. Please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, and up we go.
I have people out there.
I have people out. Maybe you see you, Marcel.
Yeah. They smell way.
Ooh.
I am man. Where you go?
Huh?
Where you go?
But a man for that bad man. My garden, I have to go look for some peas when me plant. I mean, one little stick behind through there and me say, you could have covered peas and you could go bush. Right, then I go take off. You know what I say? The man just run by you and I say, that is that.
After you.
Yeah?
After you.
How many get this?
I'm right here, man. Good morning.
You are there in front, Sister Mish. Good morning. Mr. Badwin, put you behind this morning.
Bring it in, Trim. Bring it in.
Give thanks.
Good morning.
Morning, brother. Good morning, Sister Mish.
How you do?
Fine, thank you, Sister Mish.
Oh, Lord.
This I get a wet up yesterday.
Oh, no.
And me have to put the clothes them outside now for warm up, hot up.
Water come in.
No man, not the water coming. Me did go around the road there.
Oh.
Me did just one little yam head from one man.
Yes.
And me plant them. So me get one little dollar. So me say me go pay him.
Okay.
Just $2,000.
Okay.
And me go pay him.
Yes.
And by coming back. Oh gosh.
The rain came and wet you up.
Yes, me call a while there. I want truck man tap to take me up, but he was going where me coming from.
Oh.
He tapped by him. If the at same time one lady see me on a veranda, and she said, "Come stop it."
Yes.
Me never stop there, so that stroke. Yeah, and God just make she up on the veranda.
Yes.
For through the house big, she must see the inside.
Okay.
Yeah. So God put her there so, and because he said, "Come stop it, come." And the truck tap there to take me up. But if the truck didn't take me up no more, I have to go back where me coming from and shelter there till it's done.
Oh, okay, okay. So it work out. Only thing said you get wet up.
Yes, and me get a little damp up.
Yes.
But the first day before now, me go around there and the lady give me one umbrella. Lord Jesus, truly she had me have to church out now if you guide me.
Oh.
This is wet.
Yeah.
Oh no.
What have me wait up?
Hey, guy.
I'll give me little, me head me can know it. I just put I'm like, yeah, I can't tell it. When the rain go, him pour hard.
Yes.
She does sing.
You take that one, and two sheet too. That's so happy.
Yes. Oh boy. So apart from that, you're good.
Yes, it's the water was dripping because me hang the what you call it, something, the cable cover, one wet cable cover.
Okay.
We spread it over the barrel because they can't fall for it and say, and when the rain not falling, they have it over the barrel.
But you don't know what happened here now.
Yeah.
We get one chapal in field, in the barrel. We bring some stuff come field before.
Yes.
And I want to go back home and realize the chapal never come.
Oh.
And you don't know what happened.
And kill it.
We left here again.
Oh, my thing has stolen the theory.
Oh, nobody not stole.
Oh. Yes.
So we have to go home back.
You can't remember everything.
Yeah.
Yes. And we remember the now and then just to get some other stuff together. Because we bring you the rest of the groceries, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Did it run out?
Yes, Sister Michelle, me run out as
Yes, so
oh.
out that door we see I must run out.
Yeah?
So out that door we see I run out. I run out there.
Me run out.
You run go that door.
Me run out that door with me foot and me run out me shalty.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, So with this morning, Mr. Granville, we bring you 2 bags of groceries,
Yes, ma'am.
and those are the remaining groceries we had for you. You remember when we came and we
Yes.
said we cut it and carry some, and we're going to carry the rest, so we carry the rest here this morning.
Yes, it's a many thanks God, richly blessing you and all the donors.
Yes,
Yes,
and
that's
also, you see,
Yes.
we have a donor, and she would have sent us money to purchase you a chair, so we carry the chair this morning.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, they're right over here, so.
Come taxi, come over here, son.
And see the one like a board one there, me shoot me clean off the shoe. She would be with the water. So me clean off the shoe good. And put in that the board one out the door.
Yes.
Yes, this is one out the door there board. You mean you don't panic when you turn over.
Okay, so sit here.
Turn around now. Yes.
Are
Yes.
you hear this?
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
Jesus God! Don't me strong like this, me not go sleep. I'm going to relax so. Especially me have one beer.
Tiger, you go have.
Huh?
A tiger, you go have another beer.
Tiger,
Yeah, lion.
no some me die jagan.
Spit fire.
Jagan bit fire.
Yes, God.
You can sit down in your chair.
Beautiful.
Yes,
God,
man.
rich in blessing and all the donuts.
Yes.
But here and abroad, all over the world, love them all.
Yes,
Each and
man.
every one. Jesus. Yes. Jesus.
Are you there, love?
Huh?
Are you there, love?
But look, the same this and saying that. Me go to Christian yesterday, me say, Likkle lighter me buy up this, so.
Yes, I see.
$600 worth. And I say, alright, make Blackwood then me go.
nice, sir.
For me want the lady facing me.
Yes.
And me, we want, wait, you did, okay, I know you never give me one jeans. No. I want the lady from overseas and promised me a couple of years ago. And when she come out here, put the rubber and take her sneakers for her, and but she didn't carry for me. So, the pastor now go over there last month and then give her. And then ask me. But me never knew what the church is a spangy. I mean, I love spangy now. A spangy.
So what happened? You wear it yesterday?
Yes, maybe I go and a friend of Miss Blackwood there.
Yes.
And she said, look at stuff me see on TV, picking gongo. Yes, that I'm not here, so, but I church people then video this one. I did you. I did you, Miss?
I don't know. What were you doing? Picking gongo?
No, me don't know if I should, when we did walk through the gongo, you walk through.
Yeah.
Oh, yes,
I wonder if
yes.
at that time.
Yes.
A piece at that time.
Yeah, when we came and you were planting the corn. And
Right. Yes, man, it's that time. She said she saw me. And me by Liza from her.
Yes.
And she glad to see me, man.
Yes.
Me say me have to give her, go give her thanks.
Yes.
So if I never she knew what is a mission this a Basil. I'm down on the lower side, you know.
Yes.
On the what is call that side, the gully side.
Gully side. Yes.
And up on the bank if you there, no?
By the bank, sir.
Yeah, up on the bank if you there.
Yes, with the on the bank.
Yeah.
The people was safe up at the bank.
Shape up on the bank.
Yeah. But me don't like gully and water come me join this.
Yeah, man. You know what they love? You know what you want them love?
No.
When you sing.
True?
I tell you. That's why if you can't glass you though.
And me want to sing song, you see? We not just sing one little part and done. We want to sing the whole straight through.
You see, you will like straight through. Yeah, we have time to listen.
But sometimes me say, I wonder if maybe sing when somebody sing already.
Oh.
Like
Just sing man a song in him.
Song. Me love to sing new song for you. That new song. Me not sing song we sing already for him. Man, both one new song.
Yes, man. Give me the sneak preview.
This is that God. Me say, we have been doing now. Me say, the happiest time ever have at least we met Sister Michelle Abazet.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
And plus the other lady overseas there.
I want my daughter there do this man.
She's here?
Yes, Tremel is here with us.
In the house here?
Yes, Sheila, right here.
Talk like Mr.
Hello,
Mr.
young
Taki here,
sister.
Hello.
Greetings.
Greetings.
Are the babies man this?
Yes.
Yeah, Pammy.
She always a pray for.
Yeah, all of them. Two of them. For all of them. She 18.
She's 19, she'll be 20.
Okay, yes. I'm so happy to meet you. My name is Taffy.
Yeah.
They call me Aya. You know why they call me Aya?
No.
Because I am happy. Happiness. Aya mean happiness.
Oh.
You can hear it on the radio and all about. Yes, Aya. Yeah, man. You feel like mommy and daddy bought you something nice?
Yes.
No matter what. And you love it. You say, Aya. Mean happiness. When you say, Aya.
It's a Granville,
Yeah.
you see, though.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have something else that we never tell you about yet.
Yes.
So we have an anonymous donor who sent funds for us to buy you bun and cheese because it's Easter now.
Oh.
So, yes, so see your bun and cheese here.
Gee, babe.
Yes.
Why?
Yeah.
What a nice big bun. And cheese. Oh, thank you, no please.
Yes, man, you are
Bun
welcome.
and the cheese.
Yes.
And everything.
Yes, and we carry 2 jugs of water for you. Can remember you did tell us say you need water because you run out?
Yes.
Yes, so we bring you 2 big ones.
Because see, I the one night drum there. Me a drink from the other day when me a drink, me say, make a bless you and drink. But me don't know where they
come from.
drive from. And me bless and drink.
Okay. Yes, man.
Yes.
All right, so we put it on the table here, the
Yes,
2 jugs.
Yes, sister.
You want this go on it too?
Thanks.
You are welcome.
Yes.
Yes. All right, Stuffy.
Yeah. Yeah.
How we sang there?
Huh?
Wait, fine.
Oh, maybe that thing. Oh, my mama used to, say, let me to sing
And
here.
then was saying ready, not true.
But not already like Uncle Freddy.
You like Freddie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We do rock steady.
Oh, wow.
Brand new.
Brand new.
Yeah.
And then me kasi baga thing one now. Yo, without delay, I got the thing a brand new sound coming from the man called Stabbard.
Aya.
Otherwise called Aya. The man who happy all the time. That's why they call him Aya. So right now we're gonna sing a song. Jesus, what a way you good, Jesus. What a way you good. You make me feel so happy. For the angel you bring in my life. Jesus, you're so you good. Jesus, you're so you good. You make me feel happy. For the angel and you provide me. Me sing again, Jesus. You make me happy. You make me feel so good. All of the time. Jesus, what the way you open every door that was closed in my life. Jesus, what the way you make jubilee for me, Jesus. Jesus, a jubilee for me. Just Jesus, you come and set me free. Meeting again, Jesus. A jubilee for me.
Hold on, Mr. Granville. I want you to say it one more time. As we enter back inside of the mix. This is Stuffy.
Yeah, brand new, just for you. The world listening to this. This is the musical disc coming your way. Jesus, you make me feel so good. You make me feel so good. In my neighborhood. Jesus, you make me feel so nice. All of the time. And that's why I'm committing no crime. Meeting again, Jesus. You make me feel so good.
Hallelujah.
Jesus, in my neighborhood. Jesus, when I go down the street, And everybody that I meet, they say, Jesus, you're shining on me. Hey, again, Jesus. You make me feel so good.
Yes.
You make me feel so good. In my neighborhood. Me want people all over the world to listen to Brother Chappie singing this brand new song. Me say, Jesus, make me feel so good. Me sing again, Jesus. What a way you are marvelous. Jesus, you excellent.
Yes.
Jesus, you excellent in the east, you excellent in west, you excellent in north, and Jesus, you excellent in south. Me sing again, Jesus. You make me feel so good.
Hallelujah.
Jesus, in my neighborhood, I thank you for your angels, them that you send to help me, Jesus. George in Jamaica and all over the world. I tell you about and Sister Michelle and Brother Basil and the beautiful daughter them. God, listen, Jesus, you make me feel so good. Jesus, in my neighborhood. Jesus, let me walk on the street. And everybody that me meet, they say, Jesus is shining on me. We sing again, if we walk in the dark, we shall stumble. But if we walk in the light, we shall see. Yeah, this is the brand new sound.
Yes, Taffy.
Thank you, Jamaica.
Oh, wow.
To the world.
Yes, Mr.
Everyone. A big one up and a love one up.
Yes, man.
And make the holy and righteous Father and Son Jesus Christ of Nazareth and Mother Nature keep and guide and protect you know. Each and every one, from the youngest one over to the eldest one.
Yeah.
And God does know all Mother Nature will play her part. Hallelujah.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
You make me feel so good.
Yeah, freestyle up, Mr. Granville, as usual. Yeah, freestyle as usual.
It's on night,
Yes, man. I love it. Yes.
You not sound good to you?
Yeah?
Not sound good to you?
Yes, me try to do the
That's
best.
what if you sound.
Yes, if it sounds good.
Yes.
Yes, me try to do the best.
Yes.
And we can't sing in all different kind of style. No?
Yeah.
We sing like one little picking, we can't sing like an old man, we sing like anyone.
Yeah. Change up your voice.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, me change
Okay. Yeah.
You see, me kind of change it like mother say, Mommy, Mommy, you haven't very far. How long will it take if I go by car?
I want to hear that one, Mr. Granville.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. You can't bust that one there.
Yeah, this is about that song coming from the man called Stafford. I'm got the thing like a little picnic right now.
Yes.
Mommy, Mommy, you haven't very far. How long will it take if I go by car? Darling, you cannot go by car. You can't go by bus and you can't go by car.
Yeah.
Oh,
Literally had so little bright there. When me a sing, at one time, if you hear me when I sing, you don't believe that 2 or 3 somebody.
Change up the voice.
Yes, and he quick back away, he coming like the 2 right in a one.
Mix.
Yes, quick mix too.
Yes, quick mix.
Quick mix. You the quick mix.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Granville, you were going outside when we come in. Where were you going?
Oh no, just down there me plant some red peas down here. So me kind of put a gungo limb in the road. So me take it and me just straight over in there the other day. I just me was going just take up back. Me piece drop here the gungo then we grow out. Just a little piece of branch.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
You never go far.
No, ma'am. Yes.
General.
Yeah.
You're the boss, no?
Huh?
You're the boss, man.
Thank you very much for me 75 plus.
Yes.
75 and few deals.
And I first have one boss, not you?
Huh?
First I become a boss.
Me feel to myself say me a them kind of boss, but me never he never expose. He never expose.
So we are exposing now.
Yeah. Yeah?
And Jesus exposed them.
Yes. Jesus expose
Open the
me.
door and expose them.
Open the door and close.
And expose them.
And expose me
Yes, sir, yeah.
to the world.
Oh boy.
It will be happy man.
Yes.
Be happy.
Yeah,
God
we
knows.
can see it. We can see it indeed. Yeah.
And that one to sing.
Wait, listen. From the moment I wake up until I lay my head, I can tell of the goodness of God. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me.
Hold on, Mr. Granville. You can't mash up the people everything, so.
Okay.
Come again.
I love you, Lord,
Hey.
cause your mercy never failed me. All my days I'm been held in your hand. From the moment I wake up until I lay my head, I can sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful.
Yeah.
All my life you have been so good. Every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love you, Lord.
Yeah.
Because you take me through the fire, to the darkest night. You are close like no other.
Come, we want the choir to join in now.
The moment I wake up,
Shout it out.
until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. I surrender now, I give you everything. Your goodness is running after me. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. And every breath that I am taking, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Yes.
I love you, Lord,
Tell you.
cause your mercy never failed me. Through the darkest night, you are close like no other. Me sing again. When I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. Yeah.
Your audience big.
Huh?
Your audience big.
Oh,
The whole world.
yeah, to the world.
Yes, man.
To the world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To the world.
They go over here, go here. People, tell me, do you speak? I'm people show me on phone now, both and there's something there.
Yes, yes.
Yes, both on phone. A man from England.
Yes.
Come and run the square there. He said, "Tap your saw you on TV."
Full of vibes, man.
Yeah. Dang.
Vibes machine, you know?
Yeah. David. I remember saying me no drink nothing.
Yeah.
Then she was me then drink one
Water.
water.
Yeah.
I remember me just think dry say no. That man drink one water, man.
Tell them. That's the vibes, though.
Yeah, the vibe. Mellow vibe, you call it mellow vibe.
A mellow vibes.
Yes, a mellow vibe.
Oh, okay.
The vibe mellow.
Vibes mellow.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, Mr. Granville.
Yes,
You know what go happen now.
Yeah,
You know what go happen now.
that is it.
Time to go.
Okay.
Yeah, man, like I love the song, so I
I
want
love this song, man.
to sing his song. I don't care. We entertain the people there.
Oh,
Yeah.
probably the time Michelle believe I did close off.
Oh, yeah.
She believe we not close up, but we're not ready yet.
Oh, we still on the go.
Yeah, man, just let go one more.
Oh, we got some more. This is a musical disc coming away. That the man can't tell me.
Yeah.
Oh, that one I'm motivating because some people are going to use some storm, you know.
Yeah.
And everybody knows we ride out it.
Yes.
And when they can't ride out it, now they just mess up themselves.
And maybe they might try stream water.
And some of them, I try to see man get Jones into
Yeah.
you know. So, right, you know, Madame said, "You've been through the storm, and it seems like forever. Life of confusion has been too long. Your ship had lost anchor,
Papa.
and the storm got you drifting. Just hold on to Jesus and ride out the storm. Ride out the storm. God is there with you. You may not feel Him, but you're not alone. You're hurting now, but your morning is coming. Just hold on to Jesus and ride out your storm. So you know, remember His promise. He'll never forsake you. Though the waters are troubled, it can do you no harm.
Yeah.
Don't give up the battle. Your answer is coming.
Hear that?
Just hold on to Jesus
Hold on to Jesus.
and ride out the storm. Ride out the storm.
Hey.
God is there with you.
He is.
You may not feel
You're
it,
never alone, man.
but you're not alone. You're hurting now,
Hear that?
but your morning is coming. Just hold on to Jesus
Hold on to Jesus.
and ride out the storm.
Yes.
Ride out the storm.
Write it out.
Ride out the storm to the world.
Yes, to
To the world, from Jamaica to the world. This is Brother Stabby from Jamaica. Singing a song, singing this song.
Yes.
As me say, I want me tweet teeth that I can know how to tweet.
Yes. You are a teacher, you can know if you read.
Yeah.
Yes. When I rhyme, I not commit no crime.
When me rhyme, me not commit no crime.
Then, but me tell you that.
I just pull up a rhyme
Yes.
and commit no crime.
Alright.
Yeah. Now me always in time.
Why do you want that?
So Granville not easy at all. Not easy at all. You're full of joke.
Give thanks.
Yes, man.
God richly bless you all.
Yes.
Sister Michelle and Brother Baswell and the daughters.
And the donors.
And the donors from Jamaica to the world.
Yes.
God bless each and every one of you in a special way. I love you all. Adios,
Adios.
amiga.
Adios.
You know what amiga mean?
Yes. No, tell me.
Friend.
Okay. Yes. So bye, my friends.
Yes.
All right. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for your continued support. God bless all our donors, and may your store basket never be empty. And until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye to the world.
Bye-bye to the world.